Hi, today we are going to talk about how to add a caption to an image and then embed it into a Google Doc. All right, we're going to start by going to New, More, and then Google Drawings. All right, so the first step that you're going to want to do is, of course, always name your drawing. So we're going to do this caption, and then I'm going to add an image. So I'm going to search the web for an image, say dogs. That's a cute one. Okay, now I have my image of my dog, so I'm going to actually shrink it a little bit. Move it up a little, like that. Okay, next I'm going to go add a text box. I'm going to add it below the image. Okay, this is a dog. Fill it. Wait, here we go. Okay, so far I've got my image. Now I'm going to go File, Download as a JPEG. Next, what you need to do is make sure that you know where the image has downloaded to. So on a desktop right here, you can see it says caption JPEG. Because that's what I named it. If you're on a Chromebook, it's going to save to your downloads folder, and you'll see a little dialog box that pops up over here. That's important to know for the next step. Okay, now I'm going to go and I'm going to open up a doc to add my image. So your first step will be to go to Insert, Image, and this time upload from your computer. So since I'm on a PC, I'm going to go to my downloads folder and type in caption. And there it is. Okay, and there's my image. Now, one thing I want to point out to you is look how big this is. So what you're going to need to do is crop it. So if you click crop image, you can click and drag. So it only includes. Okay, so now the image is just right here. So one thing that I'm going to point out to you is that underneath it, yours will probably look like this, but these are options for being able to move the image around. Right now, when it's an inline, you cannot move the image anywhere on the page except for if it's within the text. Wrap text is what you want. This way, you can move this guy anywhere on the page and it will stay. All right, I hope that helps and have a good day.